Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today, this is not our fifth dice showing. This is all about my Rubik's Cube, but I do have more to show you later on. So first, there are 6 colours on the Rubik's Cube, if you can see. If you're a baby, you might not be able to see, but this video will get more videos, and every time I upload a video I get more chance of getting subscribers. So this is the Rubik's Cube first. I'm going to show you just a little trickster. It's this trickster. So this is the trickster. I'm going to show you how you undo it. That's how you undo this checkerboard pattern. And what I tell you to do is that this Rubik's Cube has way more patterns than always. To solve it, you have to make the first tutorial the white cross. There's this. That's the white cross. So this is a cross. I'm going to show you why there so you can see it. I'm going to show you it a bit more so you have more time to work out what it is. Time's up. Did you guys find it? Comment down below. So, let me do something. If you like this video, smash the like button and give it a thumbs up. And so in the comments below, did you like that checkerboard pattern or the white cross better? Comment down below, and also subscribe to see more videos. And the more subscribers, then the more videos I might upload. This was all about the Rubik's Cube. In the next video, it's going to be the 4x4. If I have time. But thank you for watching.